Hello and welcome to a new lesson in Linux. In this lesson we will be talking about some of the security that you can do for your shell. For example, how to change the shell's port and how to disallow root access or root direct access. And there will be some other security options that we will learn in other lessons. But in this lesson, let's first start with how to change the default port of the shell. I will type vi and then /etc/ssh/sshd and then underscore config. Press enter. As you see, this is the configuration file of the shell. I will scroll down here and press on I to get in the insert mode. I will delete the hash sign, and from this number 22 I will delete it and insert the new number that I want it to be the new shell's number. So I will make it 3212 and then I will press on escape, and then to save your changes you will press on the two dots and then WQ and press enter. Now I will restart the shell so that I can apply those changes. /etc and then /ini dot d then /sshd, then restart. Press enter. It's successfully restarted. Now let's try this change. I will open the PuTTY here, type the server's IP and insert the new number. As you see, it did not work here, and that's because we will have to add this number in something called the IP tables. Let's find out how to do so. From here I will type vi/etc/sys config/ip tables. Press enter. And as you see, this is the configuration file of the IP tables, and the IP tables is the Linux system firewall. I will go down here to this line and I will press I to get in the insert mode, and next to port here I will delete the old number and insert the new number, which will be 3212, and then I will press escape, then shift, two dots and WQ, press enter, and I will restart the IP tables, etc, then init.d /IP tables, restart. It's successfully restarted. Now let's open the PuTTY one more time. And here I will insert the new number and open. And as you can see, it's successfully opened with me. Okay, now let's see how to prevent direct shell access from root. I will type the command vi/etc/ssh/sshd underscore config to go to the shell configuration file, and I will go down to this line over here, permit root login. I'll get in the insert mode and I will change this yes to no, and I'll remove the hash, and then I will save. And now I will restart the shell, and the shell is restarted, as you can see. Now I'll open the PuTTY and try to access shell from root. Press enter, and I will wait for it to display the password for me. I will type the password, press enter. As you can see here, it told me access denied. Okay, now how can I access from root to the shell again? By using a user. Now I will close this PuTTY and access from a user. Open. I will log in as the user Torque. I'll enter the password, and it took me inside. Now let's see how to get back to access shell from root. Now I will switch the user from the user Torque to the root by the command su and then dash. Press enter. It asked me for the password of the root. I will type it, and as you see, it took me back to the root normally. If you type the command who am I, press enter, as you see, it told you that you are on the root. And the prevention of direct root access is like adding another layer of security. And by this lesson we have learned how to change the default port of the shell and how to prevent the direct shell access from root. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next lesson.